In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this exhaust manifold clamp on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to do this on the driver's side exhaust manifold. You're going to go way down on the back of the head where this bolt is attached, where the ground strap is attached. And you can see the back manifold bolt has broken off. You want to grind that down flush if it's poking out at all. Ours is broken below the manifold, so we're okay there. Exhaust man. Now we're going to take the ground strap off, use a 15mm wrench, loosen up the bolt. Once you get it loose, you should be able to do it by hand. All right, take that bolt out. Now we're going to take this bracket, take the two bolts that are going to go in from the back side, put a little anti-seize on those bolts. One's going to go in the bottom, one's going to go in the top. Before we put the top one in, we are going to have to go through the ground strap and put the top one in like that. But we'll get the bottom one started first. Get that lined up and tighten that down as tight as you can with your fingers so that it can still move. Just get a ratchet wrench on there. Now we'll take the top bolt, get the bracket lined up properly. There we go. And get that bolt started. Make sure you put that ground on that bolt. You could always find another spot on the head for the ground if you wanted to. Once you get those on, then you want to tighten those to 37 foot-pounds. It's not going to be very easy to get a torque wrench back there. Do the best you can. Tight. Now we're going to put this bolt in. You want to use some thread lock adhesive on this bolt. Get this lined up. All right. And you want to use a 14mm socket. And then you want to torque this one to 18 foot-pounds. Do the best you can. Get that tight. Now this bolt is clamping on the exhaust. It looks like the bolt is pushed out a little bit, but that's normal. That's how it's supposed to be. Then you want to start the vehicle, run it, get it nice and hot, let it cool down, and then make some final adjustments. If you have to retighten it, retorque it, and double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.